Good morning, students. So last class we learned about the memory representation of queues. In that we have discussed two types. One is static memory representation and another one is dynamic memory representation. So next concept in this particular queue data structure, that is algorithm or insertion of a new element into the queue data structure. How we are inserting a new element into the queue data structure? By the help of this algorithm we can easily learn. So now in this particular algorithm we use some of the terms here, that is let Q is a data structure. Q is a linear data structure that will be used for to create a empty space. That is used for what? To create a empty space. It is a linear Q. It is a linear queue where used for what? To pass a data into the memory, and rarely it is used for what? To identify the or it contains the location of where the new element is inserted. Where the new element is inserted, that will be identified by rear end. Then front end it is used for what? It contains the last and first element we have removed. ಯಾವುದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾವು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ that will be identified by the front end because it is a first in first out process. Okay, and item represent element to be inserted. Element to be inserted into the queue data structure. Okay, so queue is one of the linear data structure that is used for queue data structure is a linear data structure. It contains two parts. One is two ends for insertion as well as deletion. Insertion purpose we use rear end, and deletion purpose we need to use front end. And in this particular algorithm we use some of the terms that is called as queue, rear and front, and also we use item. And n is called as what? Number of elements. Number of elements to be inserted. Next. So this is the algorithm we are used for to insert a new element. See, in the first condition, here we have two conditions in the algorithm insertion process. Already we are explained in the memory representation. Now, if rear is equal to n minus 1, if rear is equal to n minus 1, in the array, how many elements it will be represented? Maximum n minus 1 from 0 to n minus 1. That is checking what? Whether stacking queue is full or not. Whether queue is full or not, it will be checked by the help of this condition. Rear is equal to n minus 1. What is the use of rear? Rear is that it contains the element where they are inserted in the queue data structure. If rear is equal to n minus 1, then queue is full because that is the last element we can insert in the queue data structure. If you want to insert one more element, the overflow is occurred. Overflow means there is no space, then definitely it will be outcome. Next, it will be terminated. If condition is true, it will be terminated here itself. Then it will show queue is full. In case if this condition is false, then we need to check how many elements are there in the queue. Queue only ಎಷ್ಟು elements ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next, it will check number of elements. It will check the number of elements present in the queue. If front is equal to null, because why we need to use front here? Because whenever we need to insert element, we are used rear end, and that element will be located in where? In first element of the queue. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here front end is also 0 and rear end is also 0. Why? Because there is no element present in the queue. That means front is equal to null. Then front is also 0 and rear is also 0 because there is no element present in the queue data structure. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ condition ಏನಾದರೂ true ಆದರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ queue ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. That is friend is equal to 0, then rare is also equal to 0. Sometimes if there is if this condition is false, else this condition is false, then definitely q has some element, that is q has some elements. Now this is called as friend, and also this is only rare because we have two elements. Go for this is the rare end. This is called as rare end. Now q has two elements. Now if you want to insert a new element, definitely we need to increment the position from rare is equal to rare plus 1. Rare plus 1 we need to increment because before inserting a new element we need to create a empty space for the another new element purpose. That's what we are shifting the place from rare into rare plus 1. Now rare is equal to what? Rare is equal to rare plus 1. Rare is equal to rare plus 1 position over there. Now we need to copy the element called as q data structure. Q of rare, where we are inserting rare end because rare is the pointer variable used for to insert a new element into the q data structure. That's what we are using here, rare end. Q of rare, this brackets called as what? Square brackets that will be identified by the array. Q of rare is equal to what? Item where inserted. Which element we are inserted now? C. So that should be placed in where? Rare is equal to rare plus 1. Rare plus 1 position is there. Now it is called as what? Rare. This is called as what? Rare. Now we need to increment one more element. Again we need to increment the rare is equal to rare plus 1. Again it will be shifted from here to here. Like that. One new element we are inserting. Definitely we need to increment the position. Then we need to insert the new element into the q data structure. So after inserting a new element, then it will be returned. Okay. ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದು ಹೊಸ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ terminated. That is called as return. You can use here exit also or terminate also. Understood? Or stop also we can use. This is called as algorithm for inserting a new element into the q data structure. Understood? See one more time. I repeat one more time. Here rare is one of the pointer variable that is used for insert a new element into the q data structure, and friend it is used for removing a existing element from the q data structure, and q is called as one of the linear data structure that is called as q, and item is called as element to be inserted, n is called as number of elements present in the q. So now first before inserting a new element, first we need to check whether the space is there or not. ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಹೊಸ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಒನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಇಫ್ rare is equal to n minus 1, if rare is equal to n minus 1, because if condition is true, then it will print q is full, because in the array data structure we have element position from 0 to n minus 1. n minus 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೊಸ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So then it will be exited, then automatically it will be terminated, because if there is a space then we can insert, there is no space we can't insert. That's what it will be written directly. If this condition is false, again we need to check if whether the if element is there, then how many elements are there. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ. ಸೊ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 1 2 3 ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್, ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ನಾವು ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನಲ್, ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಲ್. ದೆನ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರು ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗಿರೋದು, ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 0, ರಿಯರ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 0. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ is empty, there is no elements in that. If this condition is false, then rare is equal to rare plus 1. Q has element, then we need to increment the position. Already we have element, then we can't insert in the same position. That's what we need to create a new position, that is called as rare is equal to rare plus 1. ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ p ವರೆಗೂ ಇತ್ತು, ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದರಿಂದ ರೇರ್ ಇರೋದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ರೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as increment the position. Increment the position. Then here we are inserting new element. Inserting the new element. That is called as q inserting a new element into the queue data structure. Once we are inserting a new element, if you want to insert one more element, again this condition move to rar is equal to rar plus 1. Again it will be increment the position. Then we go for queue of rar is equal to item. Like that, it will be insertion process will be occurred until the queue space is full. Empty n minus 1 ಆಗೋದು ನಾವು insert ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Once it will be reached, then automatically it will be terminated. That is return. This is called as inserting a new element into the queue data structure. For terms explanation for 1 mark and algorithm is 2 marks. Like that they will ask. Okay. If both they will ask queue insertion and deletion both they will ask, definitely it will be 5 marks question. Understood? Thank you.